me, Dr. Diamond here, and today I'm gonna just be driving a little bit, and I'm driving like on the side of this freaking mountain or whatever, and I'm just gonna like ask you guys something. You guys like pickles? Pickles are so freaking, they're like the most epicest thing ever. They're like a freaking worm fruit, and it's like so freaking crazy. And they're like green, which is a pretty cool color too. And anyways, you guys ever like freaking I don't even know. Well, you guys, how you doing back there? Are you doing alright? Alright, anyways,